Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Let's go.
It's 6:28 and we are going to the beach to see the sunrise.
Hello, hello. Look who's coming with us today. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. She's ready, baby.
We reached to the Goa at 1 a.m. of night and this is like 6 in the morning. So we didn't sleep for the whole night, and earlier I said that we are going to the beach, but change of plans, we are going somewhere else, so just follow me. This is my first day in Goa and of course the first morning in Goa, and here I am riding onto the streets of the Goa in the morning, and it's so refreshing and it feels amazing. This is the second time I'm visiting Goa, and one thing I have noticed that whether it's a small or a big house in Goa, but each house is like built differently and has its own different color, which makes the streets of the Goa and a whole Goa very unique than the other places. Here we are headed towards the hotel after seeing the beautiful sunrise. We're gonna be taking some rest in the afternoon as it's gonna be too hot anyways, so see you in the evening.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Here we are at the Anjuna beach, so for the evening we wanted to hang out at some nice bar. Also, I want to mention that we didn't pre-plan anything in this trip, so everything is like as it goes. So right now I will show you around the streets, and also I will show you how it's inside the Purple Martini. After this I will show you around the bazaar of the Anjuna beach.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
If you are coming to this bazaar, one thing you should know is how to bargain. There were lots of things like decorative items, purses, footwears and beachwears.
It sound right, boys. it sound right, boy.